It's nice soil, just mixed in with a bit of stone as well, which is a bit of a bummer. Really nice soil otherwise. It's a lovely day up here. See all in the distance up the valleys, up the Cynnon Valley, around the valley over there. It's, I think that's Forest Trading Estate, and then it's up to Mountain Ash, and way distance is Pen y Fan, I think, in the distance. That's the Cynnon Valley up there, looks like. That's where I'm from originally. Right down to Tree Forest. Yeah, I've been working on the 951 today, but we had a bit of a technical hitch with the starter motor. The solenoid is working, but it's not engaging the contacts to turn the motor, so we've taken the motor off. We've tested the rest of the functions on it, so that's why we're up here today, just to kill a bit of time. That's the trouble with the valleys, these wind turbines are spoiling them. You can't beat the rolling hills, and it's ideal, really. Yeah, he's coming down for another run on it, and a bit of my adjustments.